low iron glass. So it's different from regular glass. So all the hardware is from CRL, and this is a rose gold shower. Everything the fixtures is rose gold. The U channel is, like I said, it's rose gold. One of the U channel is not just $110. The handle $378 just for the handle. Rose gold, most expensive hardware. It's rose gold. That is the hinges. So this is a very expensive shower enclosure here, including the glass. It's low iron.
Come here, man. Brush. I've got those also.
Here we have it, is the low iron. So low iron is known as a white, clear, really bright glass. It's very expensive, but here is it, low iron. But this is rose gold U channel. Trust me, and it's not cheap stuff. This is for a girl. And it's gonna be a 7-year-old bathroom. Rose gold. Everything is rose gold. Even the tiles is pink. So this is our shower here. So this is gonna change out this, but everything in it is rose gold. And that's a U channel. So rose gold, like I said, it's not cheap. It's very expensive, and it's low iron glass, very expensive glass. So you can tell it's low iron with the green, the safari green, and it's clear glass. So this is a high-end bathroom here. So this is new construction. So there's 3 showers we were doing in here, but I had to show this one because it's a very rare people spend money on something like this. I mean, the photo, the camera is not doing justice, but if you see it in real, it's really, really beautiful. So if you're looking for a shower like this, please contact Starlight Glass at 352-999-3000. Starlight Glass. Thank you for watching our little shower here. It's frameless 3/8 low iron glass with rose gold hardware. Please subscribe to see more videos. And thank you for watching, and you have a blessed and wonderful day. So the job was completed by Starlight Glass of Claremont, Florida. Bye.